welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitri Desai and I am back with another exciting video. This one's called Who Knows Me Better, my sibling or my best friend. So I have a few questions ready and I will ask them to answer those, and I have my answers ready. So let's see who wins this challenge and who exactly knows me better. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video! So the first question is, what's my favorite food? Answer.
Pizza.
Pasta.
My favorite food is pizza. What?
But you cook pasta regularly, so I thought that pasta might be your favorite one.
Yeah, it's okay. So it's 1 and 0. The next question is, what's my favorite color? I'm not sure if he's able to guess it, but let's see.
Blue.
Black.
I was gonna write blue.
With you. I don't know why is he acting like this, but it's okay. Now let's go to another question. It's, what's my biggest fear?
I need time.
Me too.
I am sure they won't be
Is
able
it
to
like
guess.
particularly something, or
You're afraid of something, or you have a fear of
A fear of something? Like, I don't know how to explain.
Thing.
No, it's not totally a thing. It's not a particular thing that you can feel or touch or something.
her question is not clear.
My question is very clear, guys. You don't have forever to write. It's a feeling, okay? I'm telling you, it's a feeling. It's not a product. Okay, what is your answer?
fear of losing a close friend or close relative.
Okay.
Fear of facing negativity.
It's fear of losing people, so he's right. He finally scores 1 point. It's 1 and 2 now. We go on to the next one. It's, what really makes me angry? You should, if you all have seen my videos, you will know what really makes me angry.
You get angry on a lot of things.
Of course, I said I'm a short-tempered person, but there was something that I specifically said in my previous videos. She's already written it.
Pressure.
Take your time, it's okay.
I hope I'm close enough.
Okay. Fear of someone interrupting you, like someone picking a nose on your personal thing.
But
People acting immature and kiddish and dumb.
both of them are wrong. I'm so mad at them right now.
Drive.
Yes, I so
Arre,
specifically said
Oh
that
my
in my
God.
previous videos.
The drive
But
one.
no. I am so mad at them, guys.
I'm happy he also lost.
No one gets this point. Now, what's my favorite book?
This one I know.
No clue.
You know, I specified this one also. So if y'all watch my videos, this video will prove if y'all watch my videos or not.
I know the answer to this one.
I also know.
Okay, what is your answer?
The Kite Runner.
Yes, he's right.
That same book which she mentioned in her previous video.
She's very smart. No, it's 2-all. He gets the point. It's The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. If you don't know, you can watch my previous video on book reviews. It's the best book, guys. You can definitely read it. Now the next question is, what is my zodiac sign? What is my zodiac sign? Like sun sign. Not moon sign, it's sun sign. What's my sun sign? I'm so mad at them. Write something. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा दीदी? What is your answer?
Leo.
Scorpio.
You're like laughing. Like laughing.
But it's a, like,
My sun sign is Gemini. Like it's y'all. If y'all know my birth dates, y'all will know that.
was going to write
according
it.
to that.
I said sun sign. I said sun sign. Sun sign, guys, is based on your birth dates. If y'all know. This video is going to be my
We are
frustration.
friends, not pundits.
This is the lamest joke you can ever hear, and I am sorry you had to hear that joke. I am sorry. The next question is, what town was I born in? If you don't know this, I am going to stop this
What
video
question is
right
this?
now. I'm
How
going
are
to
we
stop.
supposed to know?
We grew up together. We grew up
We
together.
didn't have a talk on
No,
this
we
topic.
grew up together. We literally grew up together, guys. And he if he doesn't guess this one, he is not my sibling anymore. Are you guys ready with your answers?
Yeah.
What's your answer?
Valsad.
What's your answer? Atul.
Dude, you were born in Valsad, that hospital. I remember that night also.
Okay, so I was born in Valsad.
Yeah.
But yeah.
This is so
I
unfair.
remember the location of that hospital so precisely.
She
and the
herself-
night she was born.
Okay.
This question is not valid.
So
She was unsure.
No, I got the point.
She
I
was
got the point.
unsure.
Atul doesn't qualify
He gets
in.
the point.
Yeah.
Atul
No.
was
there's
somewhere.
no
Atul
what.
was
You
somewhere.
said yes.
Yeah, but Atul was somewhere.
I
that
want half point.
Atul
For yes.
was.
I want half
She
point.
lived there while she.
I grew up
Yeah.
there, but I was born in
born in
Valsad.
Valsad, right.
I was
Well said.
I also lived
technically
in
born
Atul,
in
but
Valsad.
I also lived in Atul, but
She
I was
said
born in
yes.
Valsad.
That was my slip of tongue, guys. It's okay. 3-2. Now the next question is: am I more like my mother or father?
Easy one. Father.
Father.
They both are right. I am my daddy's girl, so yeah. Not Papa ki pari. It's not that.
You are a Papa keeper, huh?
No,
Yes,
but
you
that
are.
Papa ki pari is so. It's so irritating to even say that Papa ki pari. Like, I'm not Papa ki pari. I'm my daddy's girl. And they both are not the same. So please don't start in the comments saying they both are the same. The next question is: what was my least favorite subject in school? You should know this. I expect her to know this because I used to cry because of that subject. Oh my god, guys. Yes, that's my dog in the background. He loves to bark when my videos are going on. So yeah, enjoy. Yes. What is our answer?
SS.
What is our answer?
Can I rephrase my answer?
Science.
No, you cannot do anything to your answer. My least favorite subject was maths.
Yeah, I wrote that maths also. SS or maths.
Math. It was a headache for me.
She used to top.
I
Yeah.
never
In
thought-
maths.
You used to
I
score
did-
so much
no.
good marks in maths.
Oh my god.
She needs a doctor.
मतलब ये कौन सी मैत्री की बात कर रहे हैं? किसकी मैत्री के
तेरे
इन्होंने-
बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आते थे
नहीं,
मैथ्स में.
ये कौन सी मेरे मार्कशीट्स देख के पता नहीं क्या ही बोल रहे. मैथ्स आई यूज्ड टू क्राई बिकॉज ऑफ मैथ्स एंड I can't understand why he wrote SS and she wrote science.
Because I hate science.
Dude, everybody hates SS.
No, no.
Who does like SS?
But not more than math, right? Yeah, not more than math. The next one is, on what social media app do I spend the most of my time? Write something. You just don't have to
We
stare.
don't even have to think about the answer to this question.
What is your answer?
Instagram.
Insta. Yes, they are right. Instagram. Well, if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. Go follow me. The next question is, what sport did I play in school? She would know this, I guess. I hope. Don't write pakadam pakdi or
You
something.
used to
okay?
play 2 sports.
No, I just played one sport.
No.
No. I just
Yeah, the
played
school offered 2 sports, but we have to select one of them.
Yeah.
So my answer would be basketball.
What is your
Volleyball.
I played volleyball in school, guys. I never played basketball.
She used to play with me.
How would I know the answer to this question?
I never played. You were in the same school, and oh my god, this guy. What is up with you today? Now it's 3-all. The next question is: have I ever failed in my academics? So it's not just school. It's till now.
And its answer should be in yes or no, I guess.
Yes or no, and it's till now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, they are right. I failed in my CA. That I don't even consider, okay? Now the next question is, would I choose waffles or pancakes? Now I want to have one of these. It's so bad when you take the name of the food and then you want to have it. Come on!
I have my answer ready.
You don't have so much time.
Waffles.
Yes. What is your answer?
Pancakes.
He's right. I love waffles. It's 4-3. What's my dog's name? This should be easy. This is easy peasy.
Jack.
Jack.
Yes, my dog's name is Jack. What do I do to distress?
He's writing a paragraph.
Spend time with Jack or spend time with Jack. Recently you've been doing that a lot.
Paint.
So I had both of these answers. So I think I'll give both of them the point. Am I organized or messy?
This should be 50-50.
No. It's not 50-50.
I should turn the camera for once.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Come on.
Pretty organized.
Organized.
Yes, I am organized, guys. I am organized. Now, how many kids would I want? There should
Seriously?
be some fun, right? There should be some fun. It's not going to be easy and yes or no answers.
Two.
They both are wrong. I just want one kid. So, yeah.
It's okay if both are wrong.
Yeah.
I will declare my results now, and he is the winner. So my sibling knows me better, but my friend is a little bit close, but she lost anyway. So yeah, this was my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time I come up with something even more exciting. Till then, stay positive. Bye, Phoenixes.